Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Now my state, just like your state I'm sure, is under a stay-at-home order until at least the end of April. So what does that mean? Well, for me that means all the collabs and all the ultimate cakes I had scheduled for April, May, and June do need to be postponed and pushed back a little bit. Now I do have a reserve of videos, but I want to hold on to those for kind of a last minute emergency. You know, if something happens with work or with school or just something comes up last minute, you know, life is life, it happens, so I want to hold on to those. Now I am baking up a lot of new recipes and desserts to share with everybody, but I want to, take this time to try something new and to, invite you all into my office. This is pretty much where I spend most of my time. I spend a lot of time in the kitchen, but I figured, let's try a different area. And what are we going to be doing in this cute little nerdy themed office? We are going to be building lots of Legos. Now I'm talking all Harry Potter Legos, all the ones I can find at least. So what does that mean? I'm just going to show you. I'm going to show you what we're going to do. We are going to be building lots and lots of Legos. Now we have the Expecto Patronum Lego set. We have the Rise of Voldemort Lego set. We have the Night Bus Lego set. We have Hagrid's Hut at Buckbeak's Rescue. We have the Beauxbaton's Carriage, and we have the Clock Tower of Hogwarts. I want to take this time to really share all of my passions with everybody, and one of them is Lego. I never got a chance to play with Lego as a kid. I was more of a K'NEX. They were like the little sticks you put together. It wasn't Legos. So I was like, you know what? I'm an adult. I can buy Legos if I want to buy Legos. Why not? They can't be that hard. Plus, I do have Dobby here, my little house elf, this box is too big, if I do need some help. So this is what we're going to be doing. You are going to be seeing some new Lego content in between all the desserts. And, I figured if I'm building Legos, I want all of you to build Legos. So every time you see one of these videos, and there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 videos, I want you to comment your favorite Harry Potter moment. And at the end of these 6 videos and these 6 Lego builds, I'm going to be picking one random person out of all those comments, and you're going to be getting this one. You want this one? You can get any of these Lego sets that you want. You will be the winner. You'll get them. You can build Legos with me. It'll be fun. It's Harry Potter. Who doesn't love Harry Potter? Lots of memories, lots of tears, lots of clapping. It's just a good time. Well, that's all I have for today. Don't forget, if you want to win your own Harry Potter Lego set, subscribe, ring the bell, and get ready to comment all your favorite Harry Potter moments and your favorite Harry Potter memories. And I will pick a winner after the last Lego Harry Potter video. That's a mouthful. Alrighty, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna find a place to put these. I don't know where that's gonna be, but I will see you all in the next video very, very soon. Bye.